Let us see now how we handle this question. Remember that please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is a very easy question. There are two ways you can do it. The first is you can use the wrong division. Of course, that telling us that this is divisible by this. Whenever you have something which is divisible by something, it implies you don't expect any remainder. In simple terms, the remainder is 0. So you use the wrong division, the remainder you get to 0 because this is divisible by this. Or you use the idea of the polynomial is equal to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. Now, because our divisor is quadratic, it means that our quotient is linear and the remainder is linear. Now, the divisor is this. To get this coefficient 4 means that I have to get 4x. When I multiply this and this means that I have 4x cubed. Then I expand this, then I compare now with this polynomial. So all of these polynomials here. So after expanding this, you compare coefficients of x cubed on the left and on the right. Coefficient of x squared both the right and right. You compare, and then also the constants. Then try to eliminate the unknown so that you get lambda equaling to me. Lambda times me equaling to 8 in simple terms. Now, I'm going to concentrate on the idea of normal division. You'll try this in your free time. You know how to long divide, so you say this divided by this. You always divide the degrees. That's degree with the degree of the divisor. That's the degree of the divisor. So you get this divided by this. So this one will divide it here. So it will be adding 4x. How do you do this? You get 4x cubed divided with x squared. So this will be given 4x. That's how we divide. So then what we have got, we multiply it here and here. So this times this, we get 4x cubed. This times this, we get 4a squared x. Then after, we subtract to remove this degree. This minus this will be 0. So you see that mu x squared, you don't have any x squared here. So it means that this will not be mu x squared. Then this one is x and this one is x. So you subtract them. Now the coefficient is minus this coefficient into x. So plus lambda minus 4a squared into x, then plus 2. Now after, you divide until this power on the remainder is less than the power on the divisor. So you start there equal, we still go. So this divides this, you start with shall be having mu. Mu times this, you get mu x squared. Then this times this, you get a squared mu. Then after, we eliminate that degree. This minus this will be 0. So since this is x, this is the constant. So this one, we don't have any coefficient of x. So this minus 0, you get lambda into x minus 0. Then this is the constant, this is the constant. Why? They don't have any x. So 2 minus this. So plus 2 minus this mu. So this is the remainder. Now start here, the degree is 1. Here the degree is 2. So we stop there because this is less than this. The power here is less than this. But now, we said that because this is dividing this, it implies that we expect the remainder to be 0 from here. It means that now the whole of this is equal to 0. So lambda into x plus 2 mu is equal to 0. Now, start, I can express this, then we compare coefficients. So this is the same as 0, x plus 0. Start when I simplify this, then I get 0. Now if I compare coefficients, now we compare. You see for x, this side I have lambda minus 4x squared equal to 2. The coefficient of x inside is 0. Then for constants, x power 0, this side I have 2 minus a squared mu. The other side I have 0. Now I start in our proof, we don't have a, so we eliminate this a here. From here I see that my, okay, so from my lambda minus 4a squared equal to 0, that if I take this side, my lambda will be 4a squared. That my lambda over 4 will equal to a squared. Now I also come to this. So from my 2 minus a squared b equal to 0. Okay, make all this equation 1. So you make a squared the subunit. Side divide equal to a squared. I call this equation 2. So that's 2. So that this is equal to this. So you see 1 is equal to 2. My 1 is lambda over 4 equal to 2 over b. When you cross multiply, our b lambda will be equal to 8. And the proof is done. That's why we have that, members. I wish you well.